Hello everybody, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to use teleport service so you can have multiple places in your game. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get right into it. So, in today's video, we're going to be using this button which I've created, and we're going to script it so when we press it, it will teleport us to another place. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to View at the top and then go to Game Explorer. Now, you need to publish your game before you can use the Game Explorer. But after you've done that, you're going to go down to Places at the bottom, right click it and press Add New Place. Then, after that, you can just right click this and press Copy ID to Clipboard. Now we can close out of this. Next, we're going to go to the GUI I had, and we're going to insert a local script. Here, we're going to start by defining the player. So, local player equals game.players.localPlayer. Next, we need to define the GUI. So, local join button equals script.parent, wait for child, join button. And finally, we need to write a function. So join button dot mouse button one click connect function, and then just press enter. Now here is where we're going to write our final line of code, which will teleport the player to the specified place ID. So here we're going to write game get service teleport service, and then after that we're going to write teleport, put some brackets, and in here we're going to put our game ID, the place ID. Now, teleporting does not work in Roblox Studio. So real quick, I'm going to switch over to the real Roblox game and I'll see you guys there. Alright, we're back. Now that we're in the game, we need to press our join server button and it will teleport us to the next place. Now, if you want to edit this next place, you can simply go to the Game Explorer and double click the place. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel with post notifications on so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.